So here we have a box that's cut up with several booleans. We see that this has about 20 booleans on it. So if we press Alt X in order to mirror this via HardOps, we can just click to just add a mirror. Typically, whenever you begin cutting with a mirror modifier present, because of the rules of sort modifiers and mirror being enabled, that means that when you begin cutting on one side, it will appear on the other side. However, the ability to override that has now been added. So right now I'm on the mirror modifier's name. If we put a space in it, that means that whenever I perform a cut, sort will actually ignore that modifier, allowing me to just begin cutting with the symmetry. However, we also have the ability to add additional mirror modifiers and modifier by pressing A. So let's also mirror this on the Z. And the thing is because that other modifier doesn't have anything special done with it, we're still able to symmetrize things on the Z axis whenever it comes to dealing with this additional mirror modifier. However, if we wanted to insert a stop, we can do that in the form of an underscore just by adding an underscore to your modifier's name. That will ensure that your next cut will just be placed on top and sort will no longer attempt to go through these previous modifiers. So we can actually remove the space that we added to the first mirror modifier's name. It doesn't matter because sort will actually stop right where we inserted that underscore. So just letting users know that in the event that you want some additional control whenever it comes to sort, just by putting spaces and underscores in your name, you can actually stop sorting from messing with modifiers a certain range back, or even prevent a certain modifier from being affected by sort itself. I'll be talking about this more in the future as we talk about its implementation on the hop side, but just letting users know that there's now an override system added to sort to allow you for even more control over very specific stacks.